Dear Carla, Hi. What color shirt are you wearing today? I'm sorry I yelled at you. Guess what? I got 100% on my arithmetic test. Can you believe it? And I didn't rip it up. I would have sent it to you, but I can't because it's hanging on a wall in Mrs. Ebble's class. Do you like teaching kindergarten? I bet you're a good teacher. Ask them to draw pictures for you. You should teach them how to do somersaults, too. Thanks for giving me the book which you already gave me. I'm sending you a present, too. It's a gift from the heart, so you can't return it. Love, Bradley. P.S. Her name is Ronnie. Bradley folded the letter and put it in the envelope. He wrote Carla's name on the outside and addressed it to Willow Bend School. Ronnie gave Bartholomew a big hug and a kiss. Well, goodbye, everybody, she said. Goodbye, Ronnie, said everybody. I'll miss you, said Bartholomew. Bradley placed the little red rabbit with the broken ear inside the envelope. He stared out his window for a moment, then looked back down at the bulge in the envelope. He frowned, but it was an unusual frown. In fact, it might have been a smile.